Parents have always wanted you to get married before age 30. So let's just say goal marriage for 30. And Instagram agrees. I don't have Instagram. You saw a social media post. I really don't have social media. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, saying you should spend 7 times your after-tax monthly income on your wedding. So this time, let's call this the wedding multiplier, and it's going to be 7. And the wedding multiplier, we're going to make it times your after-tax monthly income. So let's call that income. Then we'll put monthly and then AT for after tax. Okay. You think you deserve to be making $100,000 per year by the time you turn 30. So the income that you are going to have annually at age 30, you believe, will be $100,000. And I know as I'm doing this problem, I'm labeling things a little bit different than in the example that I gave you on the PDF, but hopefully it'll work itself out. And you will be paying income tax, looks like 32%. Oops, that's a preview. That is percentage. Your parents will give you $25,000 to help you. That's nice of them, isn't it? Parental subsidy. And that's $25,000. If you type it in right, it's $25,000. That's still not right. There you go, parents. You're now officially invested in the wedding, and you'll pay for the rest. You will begin to save for your wedding starting at age 22. And it looks like there should be a B up here, huh? And be able to save $35 per month. All right, so savings age, you're going to begin at 22. Savings amount, let's make that monthly. We said $35 per month. The guess would be then once you're saving $35 per month, we're probably going to invest it. And we're going to invest it and we're going to earn a rate that's going to compound itself every month of 1.14%. All right. Let's go ahead and reformat this really quick. All right, so I think I have all my assumptions down. So let's get to, now that we've read the problem and documented the assumption, what is indeed being solved for. So the first thing it looks like is how much is the wedding going to cost? All right, so that should be easy enough. What we're going to need to do is figure out then, it says it should be a multiplier of 7 times your monthly income after tax. So first, let's take this $100,000. Let's make it monthly. So we'd be making $8,333 per month. But we have to pay tax on that. So if we multiply that times 1 minus the tax rate, that should give us our after tax monthly costs. And then we need to be paying that multiplied by 7 as the multiplier. So it looks like our wedding is going to cost just south of $40,000. So hopefully that helped you understand. Calculate your monthly after-tax costs multiplied by 7. All right, so in question 2, how much are we going to have to come up with? Well, if we've got the 30,000 and the parents are going to give us 25, it looks to me like we're going to be on the hook ourselves for about 14,667 in change. So this then becomes the goal for which we want to save up in the future. So that's going to be the future value for which we try to save. Right now, it does not indicate that we have any money to start with. However, we are going to be saving $35 per month. Notice I put a minus sign in here because I'm going to put a minus and I'm going to point to the 35. And I'll make that note again. Remember, minus means cash flows out, in this case, savings. And the idea is you're going to save a certain amount coming out every month. You're going to invest it at a rate for a number of periods, and then it will grow eventually into that future value. The rate that we're going to earn monthly is 1.14%. And now that we have that, we can go to our formulas from financial. Because we know we're solving for N per, which is our third step in the equation here. Let's go ahead and find N per, and let's have Excel walk us through these arguments. So at a rate of 1.14% monthly, when we make $35 cash flow out payments monthly, when we have nothing to invest with to begin, but we're trying to reach a $14,000 target goal, what that suggests is it's going to take us 155 months in order to be able to save up our goal of $14,600. So how many years is that? If you take 155 months and divide it by 12, you get about 13 years. If it's 13 years from your age right now, and it's unfortunate that Instagram, your parents, and hopefully the only one that really matters, but your significant other, will not be disappointed when you don't get married at 30, but instead you should be able to get married when you're 35.